Welcome to LifeTIPS Mindful Beginnings, your space to explore mindfulness and meditation. If you're new to meditation, don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we'll guide you through a simple and accessible meditation that's perfect for beginners. All you need is a few minutes, an open mind, and a comfortable spot to sit. Let's get started. First, find a comfortable position, either sitting in a chair, on the floor, or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly, releasing any tension in your body. Let's take another deep breath in and out. Before we begin, set a simple intention for this meditation. It could be something like, "I am here to relax," or "I am open to this experience." This intention will guide you through the practice, helping you stay focused and present. Now, gently bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering through your nose, filling your lungs, and then slowly leaving your body. There's no need to change your breathing, just observe it as it is, natural and easy. If your mind starts to wander, that's perfectly okay. Simply notice the thought and then gently bring your attention back to your breath. Each time you do this, you're practicing mindfulness, building the skill of staying present. Let's move on to a simple body awareness exercise. Start by bringing your attention to the top of your head. Notice any sensations there, and then slowly move your focus down to your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Allow any tension to melt away as you go. Continue this practice, moving down your neck, shoulders, arms, and hands. If you notice any areas of tightness or discomfort, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine that tension dissolving. Keep going down through your chest, stomach, hips, legs, and finally to your feet. Feel your whole body relaxing, becoming more at ease with each breath. Now that your body is relaxed, let's bring your attention to the present moment. Notice the sounds around you, perhaps the gentle hum of the air, the distant sound of birds, or the quiet rustling of leaves. Simply listen without judgment and let these sounds anchor you in the here and now. Mindfulness is all about being fully present without getting caught up in thoughts of the past or worries about the future. Whenever you feel your mind drifting, gently bring it back to your breath, your body, or the sounds around you. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe you're a little more relaxed, or perhaps you've noticed something new about your breath or your body. Whatever your experience, know that you've taken a positive step in your mindfulness journey. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, take your time, and remember that you can return to this simple practice whenever you need a moment of calm or clarity. Thank you for joining us at Mindful Beginnings. If you found this meditation helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more guided practices to help you on your mindfulness journey. Wishing you peace and presence throughout your day.